I don't know if this is working or not. Ooh. I don't know how to stream on YouTube, and the cats are noisy. The cats are noisy. Do I just change this info here? Rachel finally does some programming. Working on the map editor. It's not really gaming. It's more, I guess, technology, right? Do I just save it from here? What happens? Did it already save? Does it auto-save? I don't know how things work. The cat is loud. That's a loud cat. We're getting her fixed on Monday. Say something. Hi. Okay. I don't know if anyone's gonna tune in. I wasn't planning on streaming, but I literally need to make sure that I program today because I haven't programmed all week. So maybe the best way to do that is to make sure I'm sitting here and not slacking off. So last time we left off, well, last week I implemented adding shadows in character placement. Did I implement the saving for that? I don't think I did. I think I need to do that. And then I still need to do collision and warps. So that's still quite a bit of stuff to do. What is this? That shouldn't be there. I'm just getting distracted. Excuse me. So, yeah, it's not a very good map editor, but it will do for now. Oh yeah, I also need to make sure it works with 32 by 32 tiles. Oh my god. Why? Why did I do this? I should have just implemented pick and sticks for my first game. Or like freaking breakout or something like that. Oh, it says my stream is red. Like it's not streaming good. Let me double check it. Well, it's okay. You don't need to see me very smoothly as I write code. And let me just open that over there. Okay, so you can also maybe see this cat if I do. Nope, nope. It's out of frame. You can't see my kitty cat. Oh well. She's very loud. Crap. Well, I guess. Let's see if placement is being saved in the map file. It looks like I'm trying to save it. I'm in the map editor file. Where's my map file? We have all of our tiles, placements. Maybe it's just not loading placements. Maybe I need to do that. That's where I left off. My hair looks funny. Everything is a mess and terrible. Everything is a mess and terrible. Where's my map file? I need this one. Okay. Because this one's responsible for the loading. And then this one's responsible for the saving. So why did I do this to myself? I just want it done. I just want to use a toolkit that freaking works. I want a map editor that I'm like I can't I either want to like just work on a map editor and make it really good, or I want to work on the game with a working map editor. I don't really want to be writing a shitty map editor just so I can make a game. But you know, I guess I could just manually write the map files myself. I just go in here and add the stuff in here, and then I can go work on the game. I guess I could do that. Should I do that? Let me think. I could manually set placements and warps. I don't want to manually set collision, but I can implement that. Let's just do that. Let's just look at the placement reading. I should have left the JSON library stuff in here. Why am I me? Layers. I don't know what music I can even play while streaming because of YouTube being a thing, but so I didn't really plan this correctly. I just need like a randomly generated song. I could try to write a randomly generated song creator, but then I wouldn't be working on my game. I could slack off. I'm really good at slacking off. Okay, let's look at the. Let's split this up. So we got tile shit. This is layers. For that, tiles, tile information, placement information. So else if buffer is placement end, then we're saving a new character. Oh no, do I just have X and Y? Why did I do that? No, I shouldn't do that. I should do this. I don't want to make it any more hard to parse than it has to be. Nah. Let me resave this. We're gonna just place our character there, and then these dudes will do that. We'll just save. It'll be here in the map file. And now we don't have to worry about parsing stupid things. I don't know. If buffer is placement X, placement Y, placement type. Oh yeah, I was also thinking, how do I get the type? Did I hard code that? I did. I hard coded it, but okay, whatever. That's fine. Cat. Be quiet, cat. Okay, do I have a character in here that I can load my stuff into temporarily? Meow. Did I make a thing called placement in the engine? Map placement. Okay. We will create a oh wait, I have a load placement here. Okay. You are so loud. You are the loudest cat. This cat is too loud. Oh no, I am squished. There, I don't know what's going on with this background. Everything's a mess. Everything's a mess. Okay, we're going to input the, oh, is this not a struct? Why didn't I make it a struct? Why? Oh, it's a game object, that's why. Just put in temp X, I guess. I mean, they're not gonna cross-pollinate. But in placement type, do I have a string? I'll make a new string. Oh, fine. Placement type. Once we hit this, then we do this dot set character type, and we say the placement type. Load placement dot set position, our temp X, temp Y, and then the map. Does the vanilla map have that? It does. It does. Just create, push it back to the end of that vector. Okay. Kitty cat, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why? What are you doing over there? Ignore the mess. That's why I put the craft supplies when I was cleaning. Meow. 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 Hello. Brr. Trying to program here. Should I post on Twitter that I'm streaming? Does anyone care? I'm programming and streaming to make sure I don't slack off. Oh no. Okay. So we loaded in the placement type. We're putting it in there. Character type. Okay, when we set that, I'm going to have to set the rectangle area. Let me find out where I hard-coded that. So much fun. So much fun. Is that it? There we go. There's the hard codes. Placement. Okay, we'll paste that in here for reference. Close this side. If type is... Oh, well, placement's a character type. Yes, okay. Okay. If it's IDA... I should just make another structure that maps these together. Whatever. Skeleton. Skeleton. Must find Amish terrarium. I have some like local music I could play, but I don't know if it'd get copyright striked, and I don't know if they'd be okay with me playing their music on a stream. I haven't asked them yet. I should do that. Else if type is demon, else if type is bat, and then otherwise it'll just, who knows, it'll be a garbage value. Good. So then, what is the game object thing? What does it do? It has... My face also hurts because I just went to the dentist. So my, like, teeth hurt. So that's good for focus. Set texture region? Yes. Set. Are you okay? There is nobody to mate with in this house for you. Like, you should have learned that a month ago. Okay, close that. Meow. 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 Just close the door. No cats. Maybe I can listen to MIDI versions of music. I don't know. Okay. Texture region. I think they're all 16 by 16 here. So we're gonna do int rect for Ida. It's gonna be 0, 0, 16, 16. Int width part is 16, because that's also gonna have to change because they're hard coded everything to 16s, but it needs to work for 16s and 32s. Why did I do this to myself? I don't know. This is why I haven't programmed very much in the last 2 weeks. I'm like torturing myself. Goblin is 16. Skeleton, snake. Then we have the spider at 16, 16, and so on. Cyclops. Oops, I did not compile that. I meant to compile. So annoying. I'm not totally sure why it doesn't like me to. Let's see. Non-const L value reference. Oh, it has to be a reference. Okay, we'll just make an SF indirect over here. Oops, I didn't mean to do it for. Coding. Hi, Mike. Yes, lots of references. I don't know if I should play some music, but then I should also like plug in my headphones if I do that so that it doesn't echo weird. Or you could just have background sounds and I don't have to capture the audio. Maybe that will be good enough. I don't know. I could listen to Esperanto music, but I know that some Esperanto music gets copyright flagged. And I feel like streaming is going to get or like playing even local music is probably going to get copyright flagged. But I'll listen to it and you can hear it through the microphone. What could go wrong? So do I have all of these in here? Oh yeah, they're short. I'll just... Can you hear the music? I'm gonna... faintly hear the music. I could like open up the thing and see. Let me refresh. Oh no, that's not what I meant to do. The thing and see. You can kind of hear the music. Yay. No, start on the first one. We only have so much music. We don't have enough to to do that. But if this band is in Kansas City and I got a buddy who's in the band, I mean an acquaintance really. So Alice, sweet Alice. I really need to ask if I can stream their stuff in the background. So if you want to listen to Kansas City-based music, here's some Kansas City-based music. And yeah. Okay, close that. So, run? Oh, it loaded it. Okay, so no problem. It loaded the placements. That's good. Collision, I think will be next. I'm going to remove these from the tile set and just make it its own thing. Play that same song? What's the same song? I can throw this over here. I need to make this. Can I pop this out? There has to be a pop out, right? Pop out the chat. And we'll shrink it and do that. It'll be like a real life stream, right? Oh no! Oh no! SFML freaking captures your mouse and your things. It's so annoying. You can't. Don't run SFML programs in the background unless there's some way to disable that. I don't know. Oh, okay. I have a bunch of Incompetech music. But let's see. So that's done. Everything is terrible, Mike. Like, I just did a, like I was saying earlier, I'm like, I'd rather just make a really good map editor or make a game with a map editor that works. This isn't ideal, having to make a shitty map editor in order to finish making my game. And I'm like, I just want to make a good map editor, but that's not what I'm doing here right now. So yeah, we're gonna do the collisions next. Let's go to editor state. Let's see if the collisions are loading. Where's GIMP? Where's GIMP? There it is. Close that. I don't know. I mean, I could also like download the stream after it's done and then add little text overlays or something. I don't know. Yeah, we'll put this over here too. That's not the best looking music player. Do they have a minimal view? They have full screen. I don't want the side pane. Okay, well, this is over here. If you wanted to know the music, it's just on this side. Yeah. I mean, it's good music for free, and it's good for making like animations and stuff where you just use that music and not have to be a good composer. I'm not a good composer. So okay, I was going to look at my tile sets because this is not currently loading for some reason. We have that tile set, small collision, so collisions, there we go. Its placement's going to be just the same. I don't know. Do I want to do this? Yeah, I guess. Let's do it. So, in the map, we need our readable map and our writable map. Add a collision. Okay, that's already in there. That's gonna throw it. Of course, well, I don't want it to duplicate if there's already one there, so I have to add the double check code. Meanwhile, I'm getting a text. Okay. So, cheeseburgers exist, and I have a Sailor Moon cup. And my brain's not totally working. Okay, we need to look at if things already exist. Okay. So we're gonna take the same sort of thing. And we don't need existing tiles. Where are you getting that from? Oh, okay. Boop. So this should be collision, existing tiles, M collisions. There's no layer. There's no need to have collisions on different layers. So just get all of those. Check that, if that exists. If it already exists, we're just gonna get the hell out of here. Otherwise we're adding it. Editor state, we need to check the update function. Whee! Whee! My face hurts. Brush tile change, options buttons, place tile. I think that's what we need. If we have a tile, if we have a shadow, if we have collision, map collision, I need to set up its X and Y position, give it a name, I guess. Is that gonna work? Yeah, it doesn't like that. Tile. Tile? What tile? Lowercase tile? Oh. Oops. No, yeah, it's just a... Collision. Grab that collision tile. Nope, didn't place it. Well, it says it's placed. Oh, I always have to call update. I forget. Cause I programmed this. Where's my map update? If I don't know. I have item update being updated there. And it's being added to the thingy ding. Let's see. If I click here, total collisions 1, and it's not like pointing here. If I click in the same spot, it's not adding more, so the duplicate thing is working. It's adding, but it's not drawing. Maybe I just don't have it in draw. Maybe that's the problem. Let's go to the draw function. Oh, it's in my drawable draw manager. Yay, the weekend! It's like icy and snowy here, so there's like nothing to go do outside anyway. What are you gonna work on, Mike? I'm grabbing my chapstick. I'm gonna show you my desk if I can. Here's my secret stash of chapsticks right now. I collect them. Yeah, it like feels like it starts getting dark around 4 o'clock or something around here. But and it's like below freezing. It's really cold and stupid. Oh, I shouldn't say that. I should say it's just cold and bad. Okay, life, I don't know. I'm just mad at my code. Collision place. Okay, that was not the size I was expecting. Did I not? I guess I need to set the size. Hello! Are you gonna do the map editor, the project? Should I just like pause development of my game until you're done? Yeah. I should be like, okay, we're gonna work on a different game that doesn't require a map editor for the next couple months instead of doing this or something. Image clip should be the right size. So what are you writing it in right now? Your map editor? Yeah, I feel like since you originally wrote that, like, all of these frameworks have come out since then. I don't know if they were around back then, but like, people didn't use them as much, especially back last time I did web development excluding 2019. Like, before 2019, I worked in 2015 as a web developer, and it was like, just ASP.NET and JavaScript and jQuery and Bootstrap, and like then I taught for 3 years, and now it's like just completely different. It changed a lot faster than I thought it would. I still haven't learned Angular. Like, I used it just a little bit before I quit my last job. I was mostly doing the back end stuff. Okay, why do I have my log here? Oh no, what happened to my chat? Oh no, it took over the chat window. Oh no. Open the log over here. Shit. Oops. We still have the wrong file? Collision. File set collisions. Probably need that to be correct. Okay. The draw manager is just drawing the rectangle. It's not actually drawing the sprite. And I'm cold. I need a hoodie. I don't know where my shit is. I'll be right back. I went out in this hoodie earlier and the sleeves are wet. It was cold and icy. I honestly don't know the difference between Vue and React. Like, I'm not that up to date on things. But, the class I'm teaching is just databases, so it's like, yeah, I can do that. I've done that. Every job has that. I can't find my red hoodie, which is not as thick as this one. I don't know. I saw it the other day. Okay. Okay. So, tile rect width. Tile rect get collision on. Oh. This code, man. Why did I do this to myself? Is this what the UK looks like right now? Oh no, my camera, it stopped doing it. Oh, there we go. Got a nice view of cold, dead stuff. That's my world right now. Cold, dead stuff. Oh, right, it's dark over there because different times. This camera is slightly broken. Hi, Mahindu, Jules Davis, how are you? Let me know if I mispronounced your name. Where's the collision? Good enough. The sprite doesn't show. I don't care. I just want it to be done. Okay, so I'm gonna put some collisions over here. Save the map. Let's go check on. It's probably not saving right now, is it? No, it's not. So we need to add it to the writable map and the readable map. I am good. It is just cold, and I recently went to the dentist this morning, so my face hurts from having my teeth cleaned. And I've been slacking off and not programming enough. And I'm kind of stressed. I'm fine. Where's my save? Save. Okay. I'm just working on the map editor that I need to do so I can go back to programming the game, which is actually like the fun part. I mean, I enjoy making tools, but not right now because I'm like, I don't have time to make a good tool. We're gonna leave it like this. We're just gonna go with square bounding boxes until I get sick of them. Let's hard code this to square. And when I get sick of it, when I'm playing the game and I'm like, this collision feels wrong, then I will fix it then. I just want to get back to doing the game itself. Okay, so collision's in there. Now we need to load it. So over got placements. We need to update our collision. No, that's okay. We already got it. Load map. Collision. Maybe that's why it wasn't working. No, that's not why it wasn't working. It was something else. I don't know. Okay. Down, down, down. Basically the same stuff, but for collisions. Okay, it's like just a normal object. So there's nothing to even do with the type yet. Okay. This set collisions. Load that. Collision type. Don't have anything to do with it right now. Just see if that works. Well, that didn't draw right. Set map collision rectangle, object collision rectangle. Map. Blop. Okay, so then that's loading like that, and now I can actually set the collisions. So let's just add collisions. Yay! Yay! And then I can literally just add the warps by hand. It will save more time, for a little bit anyway, than just putting it in the map editor. Because I'm so tired of this. Oh yeah, I forgot I can make this like 3x3. Just all the collisions. And we want over here. Everywhere is a collision. Don't walk around. I missed some tiles I need to put back in. I can't see the chat while I'm working. Oh no. Do this and this, and then I can do the full width of the map as a brush size, or the full height of the map as a brush size. Let's do that. And then I want the full width and one. No, we don't need the full width. Do that and that and some more collision over here. So save that. Oh yeah, I forgot the ball over here. And the bushes. I need to make sure you don't run into the bushes. They're just for decoration. And then when I get really annoyed at running into tiles like these, I will change this. We'll just go with the whole, it will be done when it's done type of style of development. Oops. Oh no, I need to implement right click to remove my tiles, because I don't have that currently and I can't undo that. Let's see. I mean, I could add no clip. Did I close code blocks instead of closing the program? I did. I should add cheat codes to my games. Okay. Let me see where my right click remove is. It's an update somewhere. Like all the way down fucking here. If you do a right click, remove tile. Okay, so this currently only works with tiles. We need to do something like if this and stuff. I'll just copy all of these, except I don't need all of the internal code. Okay. Right now this only works on the bottom layer, I think. Brush layer, remove region, layer type. Oh wait, no, wait. Maybe this works. No, brush layer type. Layer type, that should set that. Maybe just in my function implementation it's not right. Maybe I don't need these. Okay, so I need to put it in here too. Else if tile type is collision layer, then I guess we look at to see if we are clicking it. Oh no, we're just looking in that region. let's do this. I should just keep this out here. My stream ended. Why did my stream end? This is, oh. My internet might not be the best. It says my stream health is low. I hope that, like, turning on my space heater didn't, like, cut the, I don't know, like, cut the power to the internet and make it slower because it has less power now. I mean, the power in this house is kind of messed up. When I have an idea for a video, do you sometimes end up creating a whole new video series in the process by accident? Or like a new series? I don't know, I don't really have a creative process. So I didn't do my game dev video last Friday. Not at all last week. I have so many, like, just video clips of random shit over the last 2 weeks, and I'm like, what do I do with this footage? And I'm, like, thinking of ways I can, like, use it. So that might give us a new style of thing. Otherwise, I just try to think of different video types. And since I do, like, these Esperanto and Conlang videos, I'm also like, okay, I can do animations, I can take public domain videos and, like, redub them with a new story and silly characters and stuff. I can write songs and make videos for those. So, I don't know. And then it's kind of hard to think of stuff to make as a programming video because, like, I have ideas. I keep this whole book of stuff, which has my to-do list and also my list of all project ideas. Oh yeah. Well, you know, like, I did that, like, really shitty game tutorial back spring break one year of, like, 2007 or 2008, and then I ended up making that whole beginner's guide to game programming one because it was bad, and then I ended up making a better one because I was disappointed in myself. And that's my most popular video series, is the beginner's guide to game programming with Allegro or STL from 2008. But I'd like to do, like, more, like, casual programming videos, but it just takes a long time to do anything. You know, whether it's, like, a one-off, like, okay, I was thinking of writing something to analyze the existing vocabulary words of different languages in D&D, because they're not really constructed languages, they're just, like, some words used here and there in book series that they put on the website as, like, a dictionary that's really incomplete. So I wanted to, like, analyze the sound systems of different languages, but then it was like, okay, well, I have to write, like, a Python parser. I have to, like, parse this HTML file, get the words, run it through, like, I have to write a Python program to, like, analyze the phonemes in order to come up with a list of phonemes that are in use, so that you could say, okay, these sounds are in the Orc language or whatever, so when you make new words, you should use these phonemes. Yeah. I remember doing that old tutorial, and I wasn't good at collision detection, which really, I still don't really do much collision detection. Like, I haven't programmed any in a while, and, like, I could go do research on how to properly handle collision when you're dealing with gravity and stuff. I just haven't felt like making a platformer in a long time. So, like, I don't know. I kind of like making top-down games right now. And you can get away with pretty simple collision detection that way. Why did I duplicate this code? Why? So we're gonna go to India on the 31st, and we're gonna have a layover in Dubai. But at some point, we need to like plan a several day layover in like the UK or something, or in Finland, so I can come visit some of you all. Because I have some friends in Finland and Sweden, and you're in the UK, and I'm trying to think of who else I know in the UK. But like, we just need to plan our flights to India a little better so we can have more fun on the way there than just a 16-hour flight. Isometric games are cool. I also just never did one. I feel like if I were gonna make an isometric game, I'd make it actually 3D and then just tilt the camera. I miss writing like games with OpenGL, because like eventually they went to like the vertex buffer like list of vertices that you put in and then it renders it. I miss just saying like GL quad start or something and specifying all of the vertices. And I know it was inefficient, but that was fun for me. I miss doing it that way. Like, I might be able to find... I have, like, stuff on my old DeviantArt. OpenGL thing? 2.5D. Yeah, we really need to go to some other countries, because I've only been to Canada and the US and India. And there's so many more places I want to go, but we're not, like, super affluent, especially since I quit my job. Like, we basically lost half of our income, because we were making about the same amount, and so now I'm basically making nothing almost. Like, I'll be making about $1,000 a month, teaching for a little bit. Yeah, Pick and Sticks 3D. This one I just did with like making quads and then texturing them, and I thought that was really cool. I'm trying to figure out. I tried to do E.T. Where's my other things? Oh, they like messed up my avatar when they blew it up. Here's some looks of other games that I never finished. I was gonna do like a mobile kind of a shmup, basically, except you're at the top of the screen going down, and then like you'd, I guess, tap somewhere where you wanted to shoot magic at. 3D still scares me. This was gonna be kind of like Undead Debt in a way, except you're just candy themed. But I never really did much with that. Comics. Here's my Legacy of Xmas game that it was inspired by like old shareware games, because they'd always have like a Christmas themed version, and so I was making it kind of like the old Legend of Zelda NES, or God of Thunder for DOS, and just like a 2D top-down action RPG thing. Here's my Jam and Ram stuff. This is some commission art I was doing for someone else's game. Farmer Duel Beneath an Active Volcano was using OpenGL 3D. Paintings, more art. More art. Old webpage. Old map editor. Old attempt at map editor in Java, but I never did it. I was like, oh, I can make UIs. Remember Moose ago? Good times. Here's some of my assembly code. Oh, here's another thing I did in OpenGL, because in our OpenGL class, we also just, like, literally told it where to draw the quads. So this was also, I really like this aesthetic. Like, no textures and just solid shapes. Here's a pick an online sticks game where I had a server working and the client working. I just never got around to making an online pick and sticks. And then here's a other remake of Linksion I was trying to do as a platformer, and I did some art, and that's all I did. I didn't do any programming. Bootleg Bash, a game I made where I worked at Micro Center, so you'd like, someone would have to go pick up flash drives and SD cards and bring them to the tables if someone wanted to buy them or something. I don't know, this was a while ago. So you just like would take SD cards to whoever needs them. Now they just have a shelf with SD cards at every cash register. Non-human, more Musigo map editor, ET, GL. Yeah, the only significant Java stuff I've done was with libgdx, and libgdx really threw me off because instead of having the origin at the top left of everything, they made it the bottom left of everything, like a normal algebra stuff, and that threw off my calculations, my brain, all of that. Hey look, it's Spring Break Day 3 project files. Ooh, the project files. I already have an account, come on. Let me download it. Yeah, I was thinking about that too when I was thinking of how to make this map editor, because I was like, Mike made his on the web, and I know how to make websites. I know how to make UIs on the web. Download some project files. Look at this. I can probably build it too, because it's easy to put install Allegro. I have to put it in a project file though. Yeah, there's a lot with libgdx. I just wasn't enjoying it. I wasn't enjoying using Java. Okay, we're gonna be all sidetracked. Look, I wrote a linked list and I put it on my DeviantArt. Here's pick and sticks. Okay. We're gonna build this real quick. Do I need Allegro? I'm pretty sure I need Allegro. I need Allegro 4 specifically. GL. No, I need Allegro 4. There we go. Okay, let's do... I don't know if I have these right. Did I do that right? Okay, I'm going to run a.out. Look at this! Mike, look at it. It's the thing. I haven't thought of it. Look at that freaking jump. Oh my god. Oh no! I was trying to teach people how to do collision detection, and apparently just pressing down lets you just go into the earth. It's fine. Okay. I've done some web-based games with just JavaScript. Oh, can I not close this? Did I not program a close? Let's go to... Frick. Where do I keep my online games? Arcade.conlingers.com. Where did I put my online games? I guess I might have some on itch.io. Yeah, remember when Mudkip was a thing? Well, I have, this web game where you punch the Nazis. Oops. What's the buttons? J and K. It's not updating on my computer now. Oh, I hit pause. Jump. Punch Nazis. Punch. So I made that with just JavaScript. I feel like I've made a different itch.io account. Oh no, my stats. Yeah, I did. I made a different itch account. So these are built with just JavaScript and on the canvas and stuff. Whee! I made a Pong game. Oh no, the down mouse button or the down arrow makes me scroll. Let's go here, and I did a Space Invaders game. Oh no, pressing arrow keys makes you scroll the web page. That's why you need to always do WASD. Okay. What am I doing? Okay, I was implementing the right click button for the collision layer. Am I out of music now? I'm out of music. Let's do let's do this. I can turn it up a little more. It makes me happy. Put this over here so you know what song it is. What? Why would you pause my video? Don't pause it. Yeah, it is really good. Writing games in JavaScript is kind of annoying, but like if you're used to the OOP world of C++ and stuff, it's a little bit like programming backwards in a way. What is the thingy? Too many windows open. Does it build? No. I just need collisions. Sub I. No match for operator for a list of integers and an integer. Did I make that a list? Why? Why did I make that a vector? Oh, okay. Auto remove index in our remove tile indices list. And then we do this. Run. It loaded the collisions. That's good. Where did I mess up? I added, oh, here, I think? No? Mm. It might be removing the tiles. No, it's not. My right click still isn't working. Oh, I also added too many inside of there, but it doesn't really matter. But yeah, like I was trying to do a really good job with just programming the game itself, but I was doing a good job doing the map editor at first, but I'm just kind of made a bunch of bad decisions. Okay, so now why is right click not working? Tile type, collision layer. We're doing remove tiles. We're sending the tile type over. Let's look at layer shouldn't matter. Let's look at this. Oh, why did I do that? Got a layer. Region. Rectangle to string. Okay, let's see what it does. Collision, right click to remove. And now we close it and look at the log. Oh, don't look at my email. I don't know what's even in there. It's a lot of spam. So much spam. Where's my log? It's not January 11th. Why does my log say January 11th? Layer type 5. I'm assuming that's 4. Collision layer is, in fact, number 5. Map. Bounding box collision between the region that was passed and... Why am I doing it that way? This function. My brain doesn't store information that long. Setting 0. looks like more problems with the size. I feel like I just need to go to sleep. Let's look at these, I guess. So region. Oh right, I think I did this because like the brush could be really big. So we want rectangle to string of the region and tile region, string utility rectangle to string of our position region. Maybe I'm not setting the width and height properly. I don't know. We'll see. Excuse me. Collision, erase, and now the log. Wow, what? Oh yeah, it was going through everything. Should like do that one. 0, 0 to 16. Tile region. What order is this going in? I mean, I guess it's in the order of when it got added. Oh, see, it has no width and height. That could be a problem. So my rectangle collision position region. I was looking for where the frick I can set its dimensions. I mean, my brain is a thing. Okay, I want to see something real quick. So, well, I don't know where my selecty view went. Place tile. Tile with height, tile position. No, I want select tile. We're selecting it. Set brush. Set texture with an image clip. Go to references. What's the tile set? What am I doing? What is going on? I just need to make sure that the width and the height of the thing is getting set. Why is it working? Does it work for other? Am I not doing it right for other things? Like if I do that, can I not remove? I can't. Oh no. Can I remove shadows if I mess it up? Oh, why can't I place shadows anymore? Oh no, that was a blank thing. Never mind. Boop. Okay, I watch for shadows. It just doesn't work for placements and collisions. So now let's go to well, setting the texture and the image clip with the brush. That should handle setting the width and height. Let me see. Where's my terminal? It's setting that collision rectangle there. What? I think this has to do with the loading then. Okay. Let's go to the map loading. Because apparently it's not setting dimensions for these. I really need a like set dimensions function. Or just set texture region, I guess. That and here. I don't know why I hit rebuild. Sorry. Now. Oh wait, that was the wrong thing. Collision. Still has no width and height. Dang it. No, wait. So these that I added while it's been running, well, maybe not those. I don't know. Let's load the map again. So if I add a collision, I can remove it, but anything that got loaded can't be removed. Because everything that got loaded still has like no width and height. Why? Shit. Hey! What's up, Calvin? Boop. Oh, that was the wrong thing. Beep. Is it working now? Boop. Beep. Yay! I did it! I fixed the bug. Yay! There. That was life is a thing. That's what it is. We're going to commit some changes. Collision, saving and loading, and placement, loading. Push that. Yay! Do you know what this means? I can just like go back to working on my game. I'll just hard code the warp regions because there's not that many. I just have to say like, you know, over here, like this XY coordinate or something. Put a warp because there's only gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for like one map, and really like it's just putting XY coordinates and then like XY coordinates of where it goes. And if I did it in the map editor, I'd have to add like a text box thing, all that. Version control is the best thing in the world. I don't start any projects, whether it's drawing or programming or writing a story, it all goes in source control. My tax documents, no, don't hack my, I have various repositories in different services, so it's not in my GitLab. Don't hack my GitLab. But, teaching stuff, I keep my class prep stuff, lecture slides, homework, and all of that. I keep that in source control. Everything goes in source control. If it's not in source control, I don't have it. Which is also why it's like, I don't care if someone steals my computer. I'd rather not buy another computer, but I won't die. Because I'll have all my stuff relatively recently. Maybe I didn't push recently, but whatever. Okay. We're gonna close that workspace. And open, well, let's grab that map. I'm not completely done with the map editor because I still need to make sure I can build my maps with the 32 by 32 tile size in the map editor, so it's gonna be a whole other thing to do, frickin' A. But for now, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna put this here and we're gonna load it. Because I've updated the Chalo engine as part of just like updating the map editor, shit's gonna not work, so we gotta make it work. What branch am I on? How do I attach my head? I'm gonna check my Twitter really quick. Yeah, make a series. There are 5 people watching me stream. Oh yeah. Okay, so gonna open this up. Nothing's gonna build. We're gonna have to fix some things. I have to like close code blocks to open code blocks. Let me also just make sure I have all of the files as well from the engine. And now we begin figuring out the builders. Expected class name. Public character. Did I remove character? Or no, that's a Chalo thing now, I think. The command line interface for source control is like super easy compared to using frickin' user interfaces. It's like 5 commands. I taught my cousin to use it. I'm not using OpenGL here. I'm just using SFML. So this is a Chalo readable map. Or not. Chalo map, readable map. Thanks for stopping by, Mike. I'm just trying to get my stuff building now. Oh no, I think my OBS crashed. Is it working? Hi. The controls aren't doing anything. We are good. I'm gonna have to like force OBS to close or something when the stream is over and then restart my computer. CVS is old. It's no map now. Dang it! Freaking don't. Yay, good luck, Tough Nut. Have fun. Okay, now I have to figure out why my map's not drawn. The map loading shouldn't need anything different. Is game state not telling it to draw? I have it drawing the map. Add the map. That should do everything it does in the map editor. I think. Anyway. Where's my sidebar? It's gone. There. Draw. Draw manager, add map. Wait, why am I passing a brush layer? Draw manager, I don't understand. Current layer. Oh, I know. Layer type. Undefined layer. Those are just for adding dots and stuff. I should have a normal version for not the map editor version of drawing. But why is it not loading it? Maybe it didn't know the tile set. Maybe that's the problem. I don't know. We'll see if they have tiles first. I have used the Love Engine. I've used that before, and some of my games that are up on the Android, like the Google Play Market, we're using Lua as well, but using Gideros or however it's pronounced. I got some tweets. I got some messages. Like, I've used this, and it's pretty good. I just don't like. I like using C++ for big things. Like, I started writing. My Undead Dead game is written with Python and Pygame, and then, like, once things just get big enough, it's so annoying to me. I want everything to be in C++. But Love 2D is also cool. Where's my log? Oh, that's the player moving. Is it not calling game state setup? What's going on? Okay, apparently it has no layers. No, you said shit or something and I didn't like that. Let's get in the map reader. What was I thinking might be the problem here? Map path file name. How do I check to see if the map didn't load right? Not that. Opened it. Let's just gonna slow down the program. Okay, it's loading the map. It has all that information. It's just not displaying it to the screen. Why? Why would it not display it to the screen? I'm confused. Now I have... I mean, that should be called... Wait, also it wasn't showing that there were any layers. Why? Tile sets. Did it not even get that far? If buffer is tile set, where's my... Content. No, not graphics, not the map editor. Maps. Map.moo. Oh wait, is it map.moo or room.moo? That might be the problem. I think it is map.moo. Not room.moo. It's the wrong kind. Wrong map. It is map.moo. Yay, it loaded, except character placements, but that's fine. And then my shadows are messed up. And I can't move because I'm in the collision region. But now that works, yay! I'm just trying to think. Yeah. How long have I been streaming? Because, like, only 2 hours. Programming feels like an eternity, and sometimes it feels like torture. Because I can do so much in a short amount of time, I guess. I don't know. Let's see. 2, 12, 11, 10, 30. Just gotta log my time. What else am I even gonna do today? I mean, part of me is like, okay, let's save this for Monday, where I'll feel better. And, well, actually, I'm not probably not gonna do programming on Monday, because I should do class prep. Let's go back to the map editor and make sure we can do the 32 by 32 tile sets. I'm gonna cry. So we'll just leave that as it is. We'll take a nice little screenshot and put it on Twitter and be like, yay, the state of the game. It is a thing. Okay. We're gonna close that. We're gonna remove... Wait, is map the right one? Yeah. Remove that. And go back to the map editor. And, map copy. Gonna delete that. Okay. I'm going to add... I have to figure out how to do this in code blocks. How do I set my starting arguments? Code blocks, arguments. Set program arguments. Okay, I'm gonna like maybe do file name area 1 garden.moo and tile size 32. We're gonna just set these as these so I don't have to do text boxes. So if argv, no wait, if the amount of arguments is, okay, let's just set defaults first. Int tile size is 16 as default. String map file name is map.new. I'm just gonna rename these argument count arguments. Why not make them variables that you can actually read? Okay, I'm going to initialize these and pass them in. And set up I'm just thinking while I'm programming. Did it run? It didn't like that. What's it doing? Oh, it didn't like running it that way. Let me see. I'm going to make this just build to the same directory for now. We'll just put it in there. Save, build, and okay, so that boots, and then we can look at the log. So we can see these arguments. So those are getting loaded in. I'm trying to think of how I want to do this. Cat. Yeah, the cats are being loud. I can go grab some kitty cats. Cora's a loud baby. Cora, where are you? What are you doing? What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? You want to talk into the microphone? What was that? Brrr. Brrr. She's in heat. So, but Monday we're gonna go get her spayed, I guess, is the word. She's Cora. We found her around Halloween last year. I found her outside in the snow. She actually ran up to me. And then I was like, I guess I can't leave this cat here. And she has no microchip. And she hasn't been spayed, so I don't think she belonged to anybody. And she's pretty young, like maybe under a year old. So her name is Cora, like the Legend of Korra. She's also, I'm not going to show you her butt, but she keeps showing her butt to all of the other cats. Let me go grab some more cats. Cora, you're so loud. You're a loud baby. This is Kaveh. She is my oldest cat. I adopted her first. She is the chunky cat, and she's also very lazy. She likes to sleep. She's been pooping on my new rug. It's not a litter box. So we just keep her out of the bedroom. And otherwise, she likes to sleep with me, but I don't trust her in my bedroom now. So we only sleep together on the sofa when I'm being lazy. I woke her up. I picked her up. Now she doesn't want to do anything. She's just... Normally she would not like to be held, but she just seems out of it. I need like a thing to strap my kitty cat babies to my chest while I'm working. Look at this sweet baby. Mwah. I don't want to put her down because she seems comfortable, maybe, or indifferent. You okay, Kaveh? You just sleeping, doing your sleepy thing? Got some nice music. And a noisy cat. Okay, well, now I can't program. We're just hanging out like this. My other cat, Pixel, likes to come up onto the desk and like put her hand or her head on my hands to sleep on me. And you're okay. And yeah. So I guess we'll have some extended cat sleepy times. Kitty cat sleeps. I can possibly program with my left hand. If that is that, then file name, map file name. Is equal to the next argument. And otherwise, tile size Hi Cora, what's up? Is equal to, we gotta convert it. I dropped my tablet. My drawing tablet. I know it's on the floor. Or okay, you're ready to go. Bye. Ooh. Well, those are two cats. I'm gonna go close my bedroom door. Because I don't want Kabe getting in there. Kabe? There you are. Okay. Which kitty cat is this? It's Luna. This is my baby. My other baby. Oof. Luna was in my bedroom too. Luna is our second cat. And she likes to hang out on my shoulders, usually. What do you want to do, Looney? Oh. That's my mic. This cat view play program. Hey, don't drink my water. Don't drink the water. It is mine. No. It's my water. Don't look at the cat butt. Okay. No, that is my water. Okay. Oops. Parentheses. Oops. Oh, I don't have a string to integer, do I? I do. Okay, cool. Never mind. We're good. This thing just does not want to work with that. All this stuff. Or I don't know, what does this do? Run host in terminal? I can do that. Okay, so we have arguments. I'm gonna set up things so that when they're hard-coded to 16, they're gonna be 32 instead, or just use this argument variable. So I'm thinking about using my messenger class to set that. I'll just keep this as a string. means that in the program in other places. We just have to figure out where. Let's also add oh, I'm doing that. Do this. Okay, so we have that in over here. Where's my terminal? Tile set. Tile set small dot ping, or we could just use normal tile set. Tile set dot ping. So we're gonna go over here. I don't want to use dot ping in there. I'll make my life a little harder. We will swap these out. Is that why I named it tile size? Yeah. I'm gonna have to look for like every instance of 16 in this program. This is an editor state, so I can just use the thingy. Where is that? Place these over here. Well, these are specific to the... I hate hard coding this, but like, you know. Oh, welcome back. You missed a whole lot of nothing. Oh, besides I introduced my other cats. You missed that part, but... That's fine. Do your homework. Wait, you have homework? I thought the semester didn't start yet. That's next week. Luna! Luna! Hi! That's my microphone. Hello, hello. My sweetie pie. Kitty cat break. Oh no, I can't click on anything in OBS. I can't change my view. Loony kitty. Loony cat. Oh, oh. She's a snuggler. And also, are you gonna go up there? Yep. She is a tag-along cat. Hi, sweetie. Luna? Luna? Pay attention to me. Luna? Kitty cat. She's a good cat. You can't see her very good. She is a sweetie. She's our second kitty cat. We adopted her from Wayside Waves. We adopted Kabe from Wayside Waves also. I had Kabe before I met Rai. I guess she's just maybe gonna hang out there for a bit. Let me adjust the camera so you can see more Luna and less Luna butt. Except the camera keeps, like it has a loose connection or something. I can't. Come on, work right again. You can do it, camera. You can do it. Oh, here comes Cora. Well, okay, my camera might not be up to the task. Where's the plug for it? Oh, almost. Okay, there we go. Oh no! Oh no! I see it blinking like it's kinda... I need to get another camera. And for some reason my laptop camera is not working. The one that's in my laptop. Bye, Luna. Or I guess you can sit right here. Kinda need to tilt my monitor. Brush. Kitty cat. Hi, Cora. Bye, Cora. Don't eat my coffee. Don't eat my coffee. Okay, so if I run it from... No, get off my keyboard. Can't program with cats. Okay, that did not do anything. Let me check the log. do that? Strings in C++ and C. You have to use like a C version of string compare or something. Lame. I don't like how all the variable and function names in C are like abbreviated, so it's ugly. Keep this logger up. Okay, I need to make sure those tile sets are in there, but then that's set incorrectly. Close that, close that. Close that, close that. I don't have the big tile set in here, so I need to put that in there. Actually, I don't really have a modern version of the tile set, I think. Not that one. Tiled. Because I was using that. Where's my other one? Hello. Let's just blow up the old ones for now. We'll just make them double the size. Hi, kitty cat. Hi, kitty cat. Meow. Okay, I have that in there. I'll just probably have to update a billion places. Also, I don't want you opening the default, the backup. I'm gonna delete these files. I should do like, I should add a keyboard shortcut to just clear the map. Meow. No, no, cat. added a grid enable. Let's just copy this. Reset. Yay! Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, and see my thingy size is right, but I'm sure in here. Spam and all the spam. Is it not loading, or is it just resizing all of these? Oops. Where is the setup for that part of the UI? That's the grid. These are all buttons. Wait, where's my tile set buttons? That might be a different function. Setting the size. Should be setting the... Oh, it's not really doing anything with the image clip, is it? No, it might be. I want to see something. I think that it's probably loading the right thingy, but I'm gonna just make that purple for this big version. No, it's still doing the old. Why is it doing that? Maybe, why are you loading the old map tile set thingy? It's setting everything to the wrong thingy. Something else is being set. Texture manager. Because this map file. No, what? Readable map. Okay, yeah, it's from the map, but that shouldn't affect it. Tile set. What? Oh, that's the tile set width. Why? Why is it the old tile set? What's going on? Texture manager, get. Oh, the map is probably overwriting it. That's probably what's going on. I'm just reading it in. Well, that's another thing I'm gonna have to consider. Because I do 2 different places setting where the tile set is. Tile set base. Okay, we're gonna do messenger get tile set and just overwrite it that way. What? Okay, that's with the 16. No, that's with the 32. Why? What? Don't. Ugh. Okay. Everything's the big tile set. I'm gonna do new. Cool. And then this should. Oh no. My don't add dupes code isn't working anymore. So I guess we're gonna fix everything. Wait, what are my tile sizes? Dang it, just don't load that. Come on. I have 1x1, 3x3, okay. Then why is my collision? Boop, 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 boop. Right click still works. Existing tiles, get position. Hey. Hi. Hello. Meow. Ah! Luna, you're so mean. You're so mean. What is get position? Oh, it's like a point inside of. What? Hi. Oh. No, don't. Don't eat my microphone. I don't need that image clip comment anymore. I messed that thingy thing up. Where is that? The map? Luna, Luna, you're in the way. No. Bye. Where's my comment? Or my, this. Add a tile. Existing tiles. Hey. Luna. Get out of there. No. No kitty cats. No kitty cats. Why is my code? Why? Why do I do things? Huh? What? Oh. That's annoying. Just let me concatenate string literals. Just, you know, it's normal. It's a thing people do. Okay. Is it still working on my 16 by 16? Yeah. But not with the 32 by 32. Actually, that's not what I tested on them. Thing. Oh, now it's not working at all. Okay, so that gives us a hint. Add tile, total existing tiles. Total existing tiles. Cool. What's the tile type? 1. a reference. That's why I did it that way. That's weird. I could make a copy. I mean, I guess it's a map editor and it doesn't matter that much. I'm just so glad it doesn't work anymore. It used to work, it just doesn't now. Why do you think there are no existing tiles? And then you add tiles. This is gonna be such an entertaining stream. It's just like literally watching me debug shit. This is what I look like when I program. What layer does it say? 0. I'm gonna just... I feel like it's not even worth making a ticket because I haven't been making tickets in a while. But this one's not like a breaking feature, it's just a really bad feature. It's a really bad bug. But I can fix it another time. Yes. Yay. So, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna eat lunch and then I'll come back to work on this again so that hopefully I can work on the bigger map files. But I'm not gonna stream that. I already, got quite a bit done by streaming, so that's good. I did things. Also, OBS is crashed, so I just need to restart the whole computer. And then just off camera, I'm gonna fix this up the rest of the way, and maybe I'll like refactor some stuff and try to make it better. We'll see. So that hopefully on Sunday, I can start working on the game again. That would be ideal. And then tomorrow I'll edit this weekly video. This thing doesn't work. See, everything's broken. So I'll work on my weekly video. I have no idea what's even gonna go in it, because I just have so many random video clips that I need to go through and figure out like what I even have. But yeah, I might like try to stream more programming. Hopefully, not oriented around the map editor. Because this actually let me be pretty productive. Yeah, because yesterday I slacked off the whole day. So yeah, I will eat food and then try to push myself to continue working on this because it's icy outside. Don't want to go outside anyway. And then hopefully this will kind of stop. This will not be in the rut that I'm currently in with this whole thing. And then I go to India for 2 weeks, so then there won't be any programming videos. So, okay, well, thanks for watching the stream. Now I have to figure out how to turn off the stream because this has crashed. Bye.